Hey, it's Kevin Cherkas from Cuca restaurant in Bali. Now, you might have heard of Cuca, and we've been open for 8 years already. We've decided to craft an amazing course and workshop to train young chefs to become masters, to become better, and to learn the most modern, interesting, and creative techniques that we use to create all of our dishes. Now, we're going to be coming to Surabaya and speaking directly to the students of Tristar to explain what it is we're working on to bring to you guys at Tristar University. So if you want to become better and you want to learn something new, wait till you attend our workshop in Surabaya. Cuca Restaurant Jimbaran is going to bring you a masterclass like you've never seen before. Techniques, ideas, and ways to think differently and be creative and unique in the world of food. See you in Surabaya and see you in Tristar.